Hello curious people, today we're going to look at 100 ways to make some money on the side. These ideas are meant to get you to think and inspire you to come up with more that fit your personality. But no matter what you choose, make sure you do your research before getting started. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Start a Kickstarter campaign. Create a unique product, build a prototype and create an attractive campaign to raise money and bring the product to life. That way you have people pre-ordering it, and if the campaign isn't successful, you only invested on a small prototype. Number 2. Become a tech consultant. You can do that on the phone or via chat for people looking to buy new equipment, computer, phone, heating system, etc. Number 3. Rent a part of your house. Do you have a spare room or garage? Why not rent it out? Number 4. Fix and sell used cars. You can find some great opportunities from people wanting to get rid of their vehicles and sell them for a good profit. Number 5. Become a photographer. If you have an eye for beautiful spots, you can sell your pictures on online websites like Adobe Shutterstock and many others. Number 6. Create a blog. If there is a topic you're passionate about, you can create a blog and place ads on it. Number 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Find a product or service that interests you, promote it on your network and make an income on commissions. Number 8. Create personalized t-shirts. Be innovative with styles and designs or build your own brand. Number 9. Become a translator. If you speak several languages, you can sell your skills on several online freelancing websites. Number 10. Become a gym coach. If you can build a network, some people could pay a lot of money to have a regular coach guide them. But then of course you need to know what you're doing. Number 11. Build an Instagram page and sell ads. People can pay a considerable amount for promotions on large pages. Number 12. Build an Instagram marketing agency. Help companies strengthen their Instagram presence by managing their profiles. Number 13. Build an online store. Platforms like Shopify, Wix or WeCommerce make the process of building a shop extremely easy with no programming skills required. Number 14. Build a membership website. Think of a service you can provide the world with and build a recurring income from it. Ideally, it will be something that once created, it can roll on its own without requiring any regular effort other than maintenance. Number 15. Write a book. If you're the creative type, you can write a story. Otherwise, you can do your research and write educational books and sell them on Kindle. Number 16. Sell food recipes. If you're a good cook, why not try selling recipes online? 17. Offer discount coupons. Dig into companies' discount offers and promote them in your website. People always look for discounts. Number 18. Buy an old residence, fix it and sell it. Fixer-uppers need an initial investment, of course, but can generate a serious profit. Number 19. Become an interior designer. While demand is quite high for interior designers, the market is not very saturated yet. Number 20. Offer logo creation services. Every brand needs a logo. You can do them yourself or even outsource them to other logo design companies and profit the difference. Number 21. Create an information website for tourists. People love to travel, but also to be prepared. Number 22. Create a music website. You can promote your music or write articles about music and other artists that interest you. Number 23. Create a YouTube channel. Reach YouTube's requirements on subscribers and watch hours and get paid for every view. Number 24. Write articles on Medium. Get paid by writing articles. Once again, you can do that yourself or outsource it by hiring freelancers. Number 25. Become a dog walker. Want to get some physical activity and love dogs as well? Isn't that a great idea? Number 26. Become a video editor. YouTube is great, but it takes a lot of time to edit the videos and make them attractive. There's a high demand for that. In fact, why don't you message us on Instagram as we're looking for a video editor? Number 27. Tutor kids. Are you patient and good in a school subject? Promote yourself. Offer your services to families around you. Number 28. Become a CV consultant. Every inexperienced graduate needs some guidance on building a good CV. Number 29. Become an online teacher. If you're good at something, why not try teaching it? You can do that on Udemy and other similar websites. Number 30, invest in stocks. You need to be careful on that one, but if you do your research, investing can generate some great returns. I recommend watching some videos and reading about it though before starting out. Number 31, invest in a parking spot. Want to invest in real estate but you don't have the capital? Start by buying and renting a parking spot. Now let's take a quick break while you hit that subscribe button. It really does help us with the YouTube algorithm. Done? Perfect. Let's continue. Number 32, become an SEO consultant. You know how to optimize and market websites? Awesome. Many small businesses have trouble with that. Number 33, become a travel consultant. If you have good communication skills and enjoy meeting people from various areas around the world, why not help them? Plan their vacations for a fee. Number 34, offer help to seniors of your neighborhood. Several websites post jobs that you can do in your neighborhood that range from walking dogs, like we mentioned earlier, to grocery shopping or simply helping seniors around your area do their housework. Number 35, buy and sell products on eBay. People want to get rid of their stuff, but sometimes they don't really realize their true value. Maybe you can. Number 36, scout for companies. Find rare and skillful people to get compensated when companies recruit them. Number 37, become an online relationship counselor. Sounds like fun, no? There's more demand than you may think. Number 38, become an online nutritionist. If you have some experience on the subject, why not try to build a regular client base to help people become healthier? Number 39, start a matchmaking agency. Sounds similar to number 37, but build a portfolio of people looking for a partner and match them depending on their requirements. You could even do that online through Instagram. Number 40, become a business coach. If you have some experience in business, again, many youngsters are looking for a mentor. Number 41, become a web designer. You can do that on freelancer websites or by directly contacting companies mentioning how their website could be improved. Number 42, sell your stuff online. Pretty simple, huh? Just look around your house, you will definitely find things to sell. Number 43, buy and sell jewelry. Jewelry is also something people sell without really knowing their true value. Find your opportunities, pick your spots, and profit the difference. Number 44, become an event organizer. If you have some high networking skills, you can build an income by being a private event organizer. Number 45, become a virtual assistant. By doing that online, you could potentially do it for more than one client simultaneously. Number 46, do some public speaking. Marketing and quality of your work are key on this one, but done correctly could help you build an impressive income with clubs and companies inviting you to speak. Number 47, create a dropshipping website. Contrary to selling your products, you can build a store that sells other people's stuff, and you can profit the difference without having to bother with deliveries as they're done automatically by the sellers. Number 48, create an app. Obviously, you need some programming experience to do that, or at least the capital to hire one, but an app could be a great income generator. Number 49, rent your car. If you live in a big city and don't really use it, why not put it for rent, or simply in the weekends if you're not planning any getaways? Number 50, place your money on a dividend-giving stock. Invest in companies that distribute some of their earnings to investors. Most dividend companies pay 4 times a year. Number 51, drive for a taxi company. Want some extra money in a job where you can pick your hours? Number 52, conduct market research for companies or individuals. If you're patient and pay attention to detail, you can once again build your profile on a freelancing website and promote your services. Number 53, transcribe videos. Sit on a couch, watch videos, transcribe them, and get paid for it. You can try that on Trasncribe Me or other websites that can pay from $10 to $30 per audio hour. Number 54, babysitting. Not everyone should do that, but if you're good with kids and kind, honest individual, you could try it. Number 55, help with gardening. Older people would happily pay youngsters to take care of their garden and flowers. Number 56, participate in a medical research. If you're okay with becoming a little lab rat, companies can pay a considerable amount for different experiments. Number 57, no risk, Match betting. Take advantage of free bets offered by different websites and combine them to have risk-free bets. Once again, I recommend reading about it before starting, and of course, make sure you take care of your winnings. Number 58. Take online surveys. Research companies are recruiting people like crazy to take surveys and understand the markets. Number 59. Review websites. Open your browser and click on a website. Your job would be to give feedback and make sure it's smooth and easy to navigate through. Number 60. Become a food delivery man or woman. Whenever you have some time or whenever you choose, make some money by going on a bicycle workout. Number 61. Become a DJ. You can start small with some friends' parties and scale up to Skrillex-type concerts. Number 62. Sell your coursebooks. Take some time to build a course on a topic of your choice and sell it as a book on Kindle or as videos on Udemy and other websites. Number 63. Buy and sell domain names. Another buy and sell idea. Follow trends and reserve domains early. Some of them might become quite expensive in the future. Number 64. Become a mystery shopper. Agencies pay you to visit restaurants or shops and review their performance. Sounds like fun. Number 65. Be an extra. Films and series are constantly looking for extras. You might have to stand around for some time while waiting for the star of the show to come by, but it can pay quite a bit sometimes. Number 66. Become a bank. Peer-to-peer lending is becoming more and more popular nowadays. Lend to people with your predetermined interest rates. Number 67. Rent your house for filming. Not all movies are filmed on studios, at least some of the scenes are not. You should be careful in putting that many people in your house, but it can also be highly rewarding. Number 68. Watch videos. Companies like Swagbucks and Inbox Pounds literally pay you to watch ads and other videos. Number 69. Open a savings account that pays you. Place your money on companies that pay you a percentage each year. A savings account is a great way to put your money to work for you without risking it in the stock market. Number 70. Get paid to lose weight. Healthy wage gives you a few months to lose a certain amount of weight. Then you decide how much you want to bet against yourself. Number 71. Real estate crowdfunding. If you don't have the means to buy a rental property of your own, you can buy individual shares of properties using websites like Fundrise. Number 72. Build a Facebook ad agency. Once again, help companies build their Facebook ads to promote their products. Number 73. Test apps and websites or find glitches. Companies ask people to review their website and apps to make sure they are optimized and user-friendly. However, some take it a step further and ask programmers to try and hack them or find glitches in return for a very hefty reward. Number 74. Crowdfund. If you just can't think of anything else, then try asking for money. You always come across stories of people that have simply written their unique backstory and managed to generate significant amounts. Then again, there's people that have simply created really funny campaigns and have managed to generate money. Try it. Number 75. Edit college admission essays. It's often one of the most important essays a kid will submit, so parents are often willing to have some extra views. Number 76. Remove snow. If it's a snowy day, go door to door in your neighborhood and ask how much they'd give you to remove the snow. Number 77. Start a podcast. Maybe you're not that great in front of a camera but have great speech abilities? Just got a voice crack. Well, anyway, choose a topic that you're passionate about and talk about it. Number 78. Become a streamer. Either you're really good at a game or really entertaining, but streamers can really build an interesting income if they remain consistent. Number 79. Train dogs. There's dog walkers and then there's dog trainers. Different jobs. Number 80. Become a property manager. If you understand the real estate industry, offer your services to people who rent out apartments. Take care of their management in exchange for a fee. Number 81. Testing time. Test as part of a focus group through Skype. You can expect about $10 for 30-minute tests. Number 82. Become a sales trainer for businesses. If you have any sales experience, just like companies benefit from marketing agencies, you can help them with the sales department. Number 83. Give music lessons. Those music lessons your parent forced you as a kid suddenly look more interesting now, right? Number 84. Lead generator for local businesses. Some businesses just don't want to go through all the hassle of inbound marketing and would rather just have some people bring them clients in their doorsteps. Number 85. Create a board game. It can be a simple card game or a full-scale Monopoly or Dungeons and Dragons style board game, but then you can promote it by crowdfunding or directly sell it to a publisher. Number 86. Flip Instagram accounts. Believe it or not, you can build a generous income with buying and selling accounts. Just beware of scammers and make sure you use a trusted middleman and get the original email of the account in order to fully secure it. Number 87. Invest in startup companies. This definitely requires some capital, but if you have it, it can be an incredibly exciting experience, especially if you pick a winner. Number 88. You build a coin-operated laundry. Find a good location near several apartment blocks and install your washing business there. Number 89. Offer accounting services. If you have some accounting experience, this could definitely become a way to generate an income, as more and more small companies look for help in that area. Number 90. Become a business plan writer. Another freelancer job idea. You'd be surprised how many people are externalizing their business plans. Number 91. Conduct dancing classes. You go moves, take advantage of them. Number 92. Become a house sitter. Take care of plants, feed pets, clean and take out the garbage while the owners are away. Number 93. Code a software. When you use your computer, smartphone or technology in general, try to stay aware of the little aspects that frustrate you or annoy you. If you find a problem, you can likely solve it with a bit of code, and usually that sells quite easily. Number 94. Narrate audiobooks. The audiobook industry is exploding right now, and more people are needed to record them. Number 95. Email marketing. Build your list of subscribers and communicate with companies to promote their products or services on the list. Number 96. Answer questions. Just get paid for being a know-it-all. Just kidding. On Just Answer, you can get paid for answering questions. Number 97. Teach English as a virtual tutor. With English being the most spoken language on earth, countless of people want to learn it. Why not help them? Number 98. Do random virtual jobs. Be careful of what you're asked to do, but on Trasncribe you can find several quick job offers. Number 99. Enter contests for company names, marketing campaigns, and slogans. If you're like Mr. Chandler Bing from Friends, you could try to win some marketing contests for money. The best one wins. And finally, number 100. Buy an existing website or shop. If you don't want to go through the effort and hassle of building your own website, then why not buy one that's already working? Many of them are useless or dead, but some are genuine business that can generate interesting incomes. They can be online shops or blog websites. You can find some for sale on Flippa. And there you have it. These were 100 ideas and ways to make money on the side. As mentioned in the beginning, these ideas are meant to help you get your motors working and inspire you. Be careful of anything you choose and do your research. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully some of the ideas got you a tiny bit excited. Subscribe to our channel to support us, and remember, stay curious.